So here comes week 5. We are now going to start our literature review. So here is what we have due this week. This week you have your final research question assignment. So basically what you are doing is you are taking your research question and you are going to type it in along with the type of research that you have and the variables. That is all that is there for the assignment for this week. Here is the rubric for the final research question. So if you have a qualitative research question, you're going to have a central question, sub-question, and sub-question 2. You may not have a sub-question 1 and sub-question 2, but you will have the general issue, the type, the participants, and the research site when you have a central question. If you have a quantitative question, it is noted down, it is researchable, so that means it is doable, and then obviously the type, and then the dependent and the independent variables. That is what is there for quantitative. So in this case, you are just writing you're just resubmitting, because we've talked about it for the past 3 weeks. You are resubmitting your research question, variables, and the type for a grade. And this is your Dropbox. However, this week it is also very important that you start researching. You start collecting articles. You start reading those articles, because your research search report is due week 6. So it actually provides you 2 full weeks to do your research on those. I have put links. Those are small, very short, 1-minute, 2-minute videos on you to do remote or off-campus login for the library database, how to find library database. As an MSU student, all the databases are available to you free of charge. If there is an article that you find is not available, you can actually request it through interlibrary loan, which provides you the article once again freely delivered to your inbox. So it'll send you an email saying the article is available and you actually get access to that article. Here are the different research guides, and then how to search for library materials. I often use interlibrary loan because an article may not be available. Just have to give it 1 or 2 days and it becomes available. So this is something that you need to start doing now. You need to start collecting the articles, because not every article that you find will actually be useful. So that is why it is very important that you start collecting articles, start organizing them, because you need a minimum of 10 peer-reviewed articles for your literature review. And it needs to be peer-reviewed and primary resources. So you can use one book, that is all, but you will not be able to use any news site, any of those websites, and all those are not considered to be peer-reviewed. So this is why that is so important. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I am right here. Best of luck, everyone.